Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Fisch v2. 4 later is installed and the GPS plugin is enabled. This ensures protocol compatibility. Next, pair your controller or phone to the boat or probe so data flows directly. Once paired, capture a nearby waypoint or dock coordinates to use as a reference origin. Do this now, because without a reliable origin, the GPS fix will drift. Once done, save that marker and open the GPS panel so you can begin active triangulation. You now perform triangulation. Launch 2 probes and place them roughly 50 meters apart to create a stable baseline. This reduces angular error. Then collect at least 3 bearing fixes from different angles around the target fish area and timestamp each reading so Fisch can reconcile movement. After gathering data, open the GPS tool, switch to triangulate mode, and input bearings and probe positions. This calculates a precise fix by intersecting bearing lines. Make sure to include probe offsets if your devices sit off-center. You finish by validating the calculated fix. Send a short-range sonar ping from the nearest probe to confirm the fish signature aligns with the GPS coordinate. Once verified, lock the coordinate in Fisch and add a quick note: species, depth, or lure to preserve context. If the fix drifts or returns inconsistent results, recalibrate probe compasses, recenter your origin waypoint, and repeat the triangulation with fresh bearings. This troubleshooting step resolves most errors caused by magnetic interference or timing mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.